that I found. I've been looking for air conditioners for a while now, and this is the first one. Old ass Lennox. Look at that thing. I could tell it's a Lennox because I know the older style Lennox designs look like that. And even if it doesn't have a Lennox imprint, well, it does actually, but even if it didn't, I know what these old units look like, but look at that thing. Looks like the data sticker is on the other side, but I guess 90s, late 80s, early 90s unit. Looks like all these places here have gas heat. I'm just seeing gas meters and flue pipes everywhere, so yeah, that's all I'm seeing. And there's a pane over there, it looks like. There's a unit right there that I want to zoom in on. Right here. Looks like a pane. Yeah, it's a pane. Right there, that is. And there's a new Ameristar unit. Looks brand new. Yeah, it looks brand new. A brand new Ameristar unit. I'm pretty sure it's brand new, unless it's from 2017. Don't think I see the data sticker anywhere. Oh yeah, brand new Ameristar unit. I couldn't really get a good shot of the pane. But there's an Ameristar. And there's another unit. Looks like that's a Nordine product. It looks like a Nordine. Let me see if I can get close up to it. Looks like there's no windows near here, so it looks good. High efficiency. It's got a Copeland reciprocating compressor. It's a straight cool. Just says high efficiency on it. Yep, Nordine. 2-ton from, here, let me see. I couldn't catch the year off the Nordine. Couldn't find it anywhere. I don't know how to tell the years off the Nordine units. 2.5-ton it looked like. I guess 2009. Find any more now. Alright, there's a Rude now. It looks like a brand new Rude platform. Let's see. Huh. I already know what compressor that one has. It is. It's brand new. It's not focusing. I'd say it's 2018, 1-ton. Judging by how small it is. Actually, that looks like the same exact one as at the office. Get a quick look at it. 2017. Alright. Alright, here's a bunch of units here at this commercial building. Looks like all Carrier. Look at all these things. Huh. And there is, I think this is a American Standard, and I'm not sure what these are. Yep, Carrier. These two are Carriers. Too bad I can't really get in there. There's the old, look at that fan. There's a bunch of units here. Yep, Carrier. These look like all Carriers. These are commercial series units. I don't know what fan motor that is. These units are definitely commercial, though. Just a good look at that one, and there's, whoa, that scared me. There's another unit right here. Carrier. Let's see if I could get a, I'd say these are straight cools. And then there's a small one right here. Early to mid-90s, I would guess. And pretty nice. Looks like that's where they were serviced by. You can actually see if I can get in. Alright, so there's more on the other side here that are actually not in the fence. These are carriers. Scroll compressor. That's a suction accumulator. Yeah, this is a straight coil with a suction accumulator. Let's see what year these are from. 1996. Five ton it looks like. What the hell was that? Yeah, these are 5 tons. 1996. 5 ton. And he's got, oh no, this one has a different compressor. It has one of those like Carly style compressors. And this one has a scroll. Oh, this one has a new compressor in it, look. Has a new compressor, Emerson scroll compressor. So this one had the compressor replaced. Let's see what fan motors these are. GEs. RPMs. RPM 1100 RPMs. These suction line wraps are pretty big. It's kind of odd. Right there. Well, that's because they have pressure switches. Let's see what kind of compressor. I really do not know what kind of compressor these are. These are not Copeland scroll compressors. I'll tell you that. They are not Copeland scroll compressors. This one has a Copeland scroll because it had a compressor replaced. But this one has a Carly compressor, I'm pretty sure. I mean, that's the ones that were at the church. I'm videotaping with my phone this time because I left my camera at my dad's house. And this one, of course, has a new filter dryer. And they have suction accumulators. This one looks like it might have been running. I'm not sure. Looks like that lady was right. There's more on this side. Oh, nice. Alrighty. Yeah, I thought for a second these might have been heat pumps. I have a lot of water around them. That's just from the rain, I guess. And it doesn't dry up under them. Uh-oh. Wait, actually the rain gets inside of the fan grill and drains out the bottom. Huh. Yeah. So they have suction accumulators, which is odd. Alrighty. Let's see if there's any more. Right, there's one on that side, but there you go. 96 units. So I guess those big carriers were a little newer. Yeah. I guess those short ones were 4 tons. The tall one, I guess, was a 5 ton. The little one, I guess, is a 2 ton. But yeah, there you go. See if we could get shots of any more. I'm gonna leave the record on here. Let's see. There's one over there. Looks like an old janitrol. I guess, like, I don't know. That looks like a Lennox, actually. It's got green corroded coils. Looks like a Lennox. I'm not sure. Old Lennox. Looks like. Alrighty. You won't believe it, but there's another one. Not sure if that one's a Comfort. Definitely not a Comfort series. I guess it's a Tech 2000. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what that one is. I'm terribly sorry I can't walk up to them, but whatever. Alright. tons of units to video. None of them are going to be running because it's freaking cold out. But yeah, none of them are going to be running. All of them are straight cools. Straight cool air conditioners. Alright, let's see. Now there's a window unit. What the hell is that noise? Oh, those are squirrels. No more were found. But thank you for watching.